Good morning. Is it early?
Good morning. It is 7.
7 already? Oh no.
Yes, rise and shine.
How are you so awake?
I woke up at 5.
5? That is very early.
Early morning is the best.
I disagree completely with that.
You will feel better soon.
Is coffee ready yet?
Yes, just made fresh.
Oh, thank goodness for that.
Here, I poured yours already.
You are a good roommate.
I try my best always.
What are you eating today?
Toast and egg, very healthy.
That looks really good, actually.
Want me to make yours?
Yes, please. That would help.
Okay, 2 minutes maximum.
Do we have any butter?
Yes, in the fridge door.
And eggs? Do we have?
Yes, 6 eggs remaining.
Perfect. Make 2 eggs, please.
Scrambled or fried today?
Fried, please. Sunny side up.
Coming right up for you.
What time is work today?
We start at 9 sharp.
9? How much time left?
About 1 hour and a half.
That is enough time, right?
Yes, if you hurry up.
I need shower first, though.
I already showered at 6.
6? You showered at 6?
Yes, very refreshing morning shower.
How long is your commute?
About 30 minutes by bus.
Same for me, I think.
So we leave at 8?
8:30 would be better.
That is cutting it close.
I need more coffee first.
This is your second cup.
Is that bad for me?
Maybe drink some water, too.
Water? In the morning? Why?
Hydration is very important daily.
You sound like a doctor.
I just read health articles.
Do you read in morning?
Yes, for 30 minutes daily.
What do you read exactly?
Health, news, and motivational stuff.
Motivational stuff at 5 a.m.?
Best time for positive mindset.
My mindset needs more coffee.
Here, egg is ready now.
Oh, wow. That looks perfect.
Added some pepper and salt.
You even seasoned it already?
Of course, I like cooking.
When did you learn cooking?
I took online class last year.
Online cooking class? Really?
Yes, very useful and fun.
What else did you learn?
Pasta, soup, and healthy salads.
Can you make pasta tonight?
Yes, I would love that.
You are amazing in kitchen.
Thank you. I enjoy it.
Do you exercise in morning?
Yes, 20 minutes every day.
20 minutes of what exactly?
Stretching, push-ups, and jumping jacks.
That sounds very exhausting, actually.
It gives amazing energy, though.
Maybe I should try someday.
Start with just 5 minutes.
5 minutes I can manage.
Small steps lead to big change.
You are very motivating today.
Coffee and eggs help everyone.
This coffee is very good.
I added cinnamon this morning.
Cinnamon in coffee?
Really? Yes, try it. Very tasty.
It actually tastes amazing now.
Told you, morning magic works.
Do we have any fruit?
Yes, bananas and apples there.
Should I take one today?
Yes, great for morning energy.
I will take the banana.
Good choice for quick energy.
I feel more awake now.
Coffee and food always help.
What time should we leave?
8:25 at latest.
Okay, I will shower quickly.
I will clean up kitchen.
Thank you for breakfast today.
Anytime. Good mornings matter most.
Good mornings do matter indeed.
Have a great day ahead.
You too. See you downstairs.
Race you to the door.
No racing before second coffee.
Fair enough. See you soon.
Is breakfast always this good?
When I make it, yes.
We should do this daily.
Deal. I will cook always.
And I will clean up.
Perfect morning team we are.
Best roommate deal ever made.
Agreed. Now go shower quickly.
Yes, going right now.
8:25. Do not forget.